It's only Webby, it's 5:30 in the morning, and today we're going on a road trip. We're going to be customising a car. Let's get outside and have a look. It's a cold and frosty start this morning, so the first thing we do on a road trip, we stop and get a coffee. See you at the petrol station. Well, we're here at the local garage and it's time to get a Costa on the go. I can't live without a Costa. So we're on the M25, we're just by the Enfield turn-off, making our way to Milton, Keynes to see Paul, and there's a tunnel coming up. So this is a great time to do a before and after shot. So let's get in the tunnel, put her in second gear and see how she goes. So the one question everyone asks about the M5, can it be a daily driver? Well, so far I've had the car 3 weeks. I use it every day. I don't go very far in it. Fuel consumption probably is a bit of an issue. When I first got it, obviously I was a little excited. I actually thought the petrol gauge was the rev counter because it went down that quickly. You've got nice comfy chairs, adjustable in every way, adjustable headrests. You've got a nice driving position. I think that if you have fairly deep pockets, the M5 V10 could be a good daily driver. If you're buying a nice second-hand example like this, you need to make sure you check service history, very important. Some of the issues it has is throttle actuators. They seem to go around about the 70,000-80,000 mile mark. If they're done, that's great. You've got the clutch and flywheel, same again, round about the 80,000 mark. Should be done on the car. I don't think they'll last much longer than that. I did look at probably 11 examples before I bought this one, because there are some pigs out there. I mean, clearly it's a V10 5 litre 507 brake horsepower car. They are going to be used and abused in some way. Some of these, when you look up, they've got lots of owners on them. That's really not a problem. It's that kind of car. People have it for 6 months, a year, use it, realise that it costs an awful lot of money in petrol. Use it and abuse it. When you push the magic button, that's a different story actually. Fuel consumption probably goes down to 7 miles per gallon, but apparently, I'm not sure how true this is, BMW have set the counter at 7. It will not go below 7. But I've seen a few guys on YouTube, posted a few videos, and they reckon that they can get it down to 5 miles per gallon. So, when you press this M button, the magic button, you get the rev counter come up on the heads-up display. We drop it down, we're off! We are in Milton Keynes. We are going to 2 Mile Ash to see Paul, who is going to mod my exhaust and make me feel 19 years old again. Drink refreshment. pieces. We've arrived in Milton Keynes at 2 Ash Mile, I believe. We're seeing Paul at PCW Exhaust Mods, and he's going to work his magic and turn this very quiet M5 into the beast it should have been when it left the factory. So I'll go and give him a knock, we'll get him out and we'll start work, and I'll see you soon. We're here in Milton Keynes. We've met Paul from PCW Exhaust Mods, and he's currently working his magic on my car. The exhaust is off, the car's up on brake clamp, and as you can probably hear, he's working his magic at the back. So we walk round, we can't see what he's doing unfortunately on the video because it's trade secrets, but we can see the exhaust on the floor. This is Paul behind me. He's
working his magic.
Finishing his work. Nearly ready to put back on the car, and then we can have some loudness. I apologise to the neighbours now. And we'll see how we get on. Go. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I've been and seen Paul, he's done the mod. I am very, very happy with the sound of the car. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button to see more videos coming soon. We're off to Morrison's underground car park to make some noise and wake up the neighbours. See you all soon.